Hello guys, what if you could create a full rap song with lyrics, beat, flow, and vocals within 1 minute, even if you've never rapped a single line in your life? Today I'll show you how to create a rap song using the powerful tool called MusicCreator AI. If you're interested in the topic, don't forget to subscribe and share our channel. Part 1. What is MusicCreator AI? MusicCreator AI is an AI-powered music generation platform designed to help anyone create original songs effortlessly, including rap and hip-hop tracks. You don't need a microphone, a beat license, or years of writing experience. MusicCreator AI handles everything from lyrics and flow to beats and vocals.
The time is 6:30 and your hands in mine, and the sunlight paints your face. Hey, half awake in your dreams, you smile so shy, and I thank you for staying in this place.
Whether you're a beginner, a content creator, or an aspiring rapper, this tool makes rap music creation simple and accessible. Part 2. How to create a rap song with MusicCreator AI in 4 steps. Step 1. Create your account. Go to MusicCreator AI and sign up. Once logged in, click Create Music Now to get started. Step 2. Write your rap prompt to generate lyrics. In the prompt box, describe your rap song. For example, a confident rap song about grinding late nights, overcoming doubt, and rising from nothing. Then tap Generate Rap. The lyrics for your rap song will be generated instantly. Step 3. Customize the rap song. Choose your genre, mood, tempo, instrumentals, and vocal gender for your rap song. Step 4. Generate the rap song successfully. Click Generate Rap Music Now. After a few seconds, MusicCreator AI will create 2 complete rap songs with lyrics and vocals. Let's listen to both versions.
Late nights, bright mornings, always on the move. Grinding in the darkness just to show I got the groove. Doubt in their whispers, but I turn it into fuel. Skyline in my sights, I'm rewriting every rule. Nothing in my pockets, but I got a gold mine. Every struggle shaping, now I rise and redefine. Late nights, bright mornings, nothing holding me. From the bottom to the top, now the world's about to see. I remember long nights with a hunger in my bones. Dreams stacking up while I hustle all alone. Eyes red, never slept, running laps around the doubts. City lights flicker, but my focus never out. Walking through the cold every second.
Late nights, bright mornings, always on the move. Grinding in the darkness just to show I got the groove. Doubt in their whispers, but I turn it into fuel. Skyline in my sights, I'm rewriting every rule. Nothing in my pockets, but I got a gold mine. Every struggle shaping, now I rise and redefine. Late nights, bright mornings, nothing holding me. From the bottom to the top, now the world's about to see. I remember long nights with a hunger in my bones. Dreams stacking up while I hustle all alone. Eyes red, never slept, running laps around the doubts. City lights flicker, but my focus never out. Walking through the cold, every setback made me tough. Pressure on my shoulders, but I never called a bluff. People always talking like I didn't stand a chance. Tables turning now, I'm leading every dance. Lines on my notebook like a journal of my hope. Every verse a step closer, learning how to cope. From nothing to a narrative, I painted every scene. Used to be invisible, now I'm living the dream.
Amazing, right? After that, you can remix or edit the song again if you are not satisfied with it. Then pick your favorite version and download it. That's it. With MusicCreator AI, creating a rap song has never been easier. No studio, no experience, just ideas. All rap songs generated by MusicCreator AI is 100% royalty-free. Give it a try today. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.